All right, and how to use your lawnmower with a detachable battery. Clearly, we're using the Hart as our example here, just because that's what we have available. We had a different one, but we replaced it. Camera's crooked, so we can get that in the shot. I also had to push the camera way back, and then you wouldn't be able to hear me. So, anyway, hood, battery goes in here. You can put a spare battery on the other side. It does have a cradle for it. You have your key here, which you pull it out. Now, doesn't matter if the battery's there or not, you won't start. So, I would take the key in for the winter, just so someone doesn't steal it. Push that key all the way in, that way she'll start. Once the battery's in, click the button, and push. The button has to be clicked in and held, and then that has to be pushed down. This one does have a self-propelled, so squeeze up on the handles, and she will walk on her own. This one has a speed adjuster right back here. Make the speed go a little bit higher or a little bit faster. I keep my speed slow because I'm an old guy and I'm in no hurry. There you go. That's how you use it. All right, now how to set the height of your Hart mower, I guess. We'll stick strictly with this one. Hit this little knob here. Nice little number system, 1.5 inch, 4 inch. So you can go down as far as 1.5 inch and up as much as 4 inches. Okay. Try to keep mine right in the middle, just because I'm a glass half full kind of guy. So, I don't know. Anyway, just like driving an old car, the standard. Pull that out away from the machine, push her down, push her back in, and then that'll put it down to the 1.5 inch. Slide her back out, and then pull her back, and slide her into the notch. Now drop her up to 4 inches. So probably 1/2 inch each one. I'm not counting them and doing the math. I'm just gonna say 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. Okay, so a little bit less than 1/2 inch for each one. But because there's an extra spot there. So 3 inches, you're right around the middle. Tell you just the height. All right, how to put your bagger attachment on. If you're gonna put your bagger on your mower, you need to lift this flap up here and pull out your plug. That's why I couldn't find it. It was right there. I bet that's what it is. Pull out your plug, and these two little notches here, they're hooks. They're going to go on these things here. Pick it up, move it forward. That's all you got to do. We'll change the camera angle so you can see that. Right here is a little hook. And that other hook goes right on top of that and slides right down. And gravity holds it in from there. Alright, if you have your side chute on, take your side chute off, and then I'll put her in the bag and go. Nice and easy. Bro, I am getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, bro. And to get your mower into the side chute, take your bag off. Push your plug in, handle right here. So handle to you, and slide that in, pull, slide her all the way in there, and drop that down. Lift that up, drop that down. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Now she'll mulch right inside. I would need to clean out this a little bit to get that seal a little bit better. Lift that. There you go, now she's set to mulch. And to get your mower into the side chute, take your bag off. Push your plug in, handle right here. So handle to you, and slide that in, pull, slide it all the way in there, and drop that down. Okay, so you say your motor's gonna look like this if you were bagging. And we're going to take the side chute out here, And we got the little nub there, little nub there. I'm gonna pull this up, and those nubs are gonna go right and underneath these little indentations here. Just gonna slide those right into there. Now they kind of just rest there. They don't actually snap in or anything. So when you hold it, release that chute, and that'll hold your side discharge chute fairly well. I mean, if I ran into something really hard, it's gonna fall off, but that's okay because it's easy to put back on. Oh man, a lot of mosquitoes, man. Okay, and to fold your mower up, save some space in the wintertime, I'm gonna grab this handle right here, turn it, that pulls the pin out, and that pulls the pin out. Now, that folds straight forward. Got a nice little handle here. Seems like the handle's on the wrong side, but there you go. She folds right up. So you can sit her in your garage and save space. Anyway, at the end of the season, when you're ready to start using her again, pull these back out, get it somewhat lined up, and turn that knob again, and then just move the handle up and down until she pins in there, and now she's ready to go for business time again. Hope that helps you out.